In this video, I will show you some settings to help increase the rendering speed in After Effects. Let's get started. First, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding it, go to the top menu and click on Edit. Next, navigate to Preferences and select General. Make sure that you keep holding the Shift key until you are in the Preferences window. Once you are inside, you can release the Shift key. You will notice a new settings option at the bottom of the preferences, under notifications labelled as Secret. Once you click on it, you will see two new options: Disable Layer Cache and Ignore Sequence Rendering Errors. The first thing you need to do is check the option that says Disable Layer Cache. Also, leave the second option as it is. Next, you will see a text saying Purge every 0 frames during Make Movie. Here, you can change the value of this 0 written in blue color. So, click on the box that says 0 and change it to 2. This means you are setting the purge to happen every 2 frames during rendering. This setting is important because it can significantly increase your rendering speed. After you have made these changes, click OK to save your settings. Now you should notice an improvement in the rendering speed when you work in After Effects. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you in the next video.